Besties, do you know there's some things that you do on a normal day that you don't get paid for, that you can actually get paid for, if only you know that you can actually get paid for them? In today's video, I'll share with you 6 lazy ways to make money online while you sleep. Yes, so today we are diving headfirst into the world of lazy, passive ways to make money where you can boost your bank account with minimal effort. Guess what? Now you can say goodbye to the grind and say hello to financial freedom. So if you're ready to discover the art of making money in a relaxed way, guys, guess what? You're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button in case you have not, and let's get started on our journey to easy street. Yes, so guys, I want to hear your opinion. Would you like to earn money by just giving your opinion? Do you know that companies can pay you for informing them how well their product works? This way, improvements can be made to make their products better. And most of these involves market research, and all you need to do is to just give a detailed review or do a survey, and it can take as little as 5 to 20 minutes to answer questions. And guess what? You get paid $50 for each reviews. Yes, thank me later. I have more lazy ways that you can make money. So yes, if this is something you're interested in, masoon, sleep, and don't sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new here, introduce yourselves. I want to meet you guys. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves as well. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. On this channel, I share all things money, grants, ways to make money online. Like I always say, there are ways. Money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, guess what? You will never be broke again. I'm your host, your guest, your bestie. Oh yeah, share this video in case you have not. Share this video with your friends. Don't you want to make friends with your besties? Go ahead and click on the share button, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification bells, because here, we are winning real big. We're making money. We're making money this year. So let's just get right into number 2. So are you ready to listen? Drum rolls. Brr. Pow. Besties, do you know that you can get paid to teach kids to read? Yes, so if you enjoy reading immensely and you would love to teach kids how to do it, guess what? You can read books to kids on a platform called OutSchool. Yes, so OutSchool provides quality resources and educational tools to children online. It covers various topics for kids to learn, and you can choose what to teach. OutSchool is actually the perfect opportunity for moms who have teaching experience to earn money just by helping children to read. You guys can see that it's super easy to make money this time and age. If you've never been trained or you don't even have a degree, that's okay. Guess what? Another way to make money is by doing voiceovers. Yes, so would you like to try one of those low stress jobs that actually pay well? Guys, voice acting is a flexible freelance job for moms, and of course you don't even have to be a mom, for everyone. And no, you don't have to be an actual actor or actress to stand out, but having a great sounding voice is key. Have you been told so many times that, hey, you have a nice voice, your voice is so sweet? Why not use that voice to make money and thank me later? Another thing you should have is a home studio in order to do your recordings. To land a job, you need to audition or provide a sample of your portfolio. This way, the company can have a feel of your voice. You can get paid to record your voice by reading books for Voice 123, ACX, Bonnie Studio, doing voiceovers for clients on Fiverr, on Upwork, on Remote Co. Another way to make money is through dropshipping. Guys, dropshipping is another fantastic way to earn passive income. With dropshipping, you set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. When a customer places an order, the supplier takes care of the fulfillment and you earn a profit margin on the sale. Guys, what can be better than that? The best part is that you don't need to hold the inventory or worry about shipping logistics. Just market your store and let the suppliers do the rest. Another way to make money is, are you ready, guys? Peer-to-peer lending. Yes, so guys, peer-to-peer lending platforms offer an opportunity to earn passive income by lending money to individuals or small businesses. By acting as a lender, you earn interest on the loans that you provide. Online platforms facilitate the learning process and handle borrower screening, making it a relatively hands-off way to generate passive income from your investments. Another way to make money is by creating an online course. Guys, if you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a profitable source of passive income. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allows you to create and market your courses to a global audience. Once you've created the course material, it can be accessed and purchased by students at any time, providing you with a passive income stream. Guys, do you know that there are so many ways to actually make money, and generating passive income online while you sleep is within your reach? With these methods that I've shared, you may require some initial effort and setup. They can ultimately provide you with the financial freedom and the ability to earn money on autopilot. Why not start exploring these lazy ways to make money online today? Your dreams of a passive income lifestyle can be closer than you think. Guys, on this channel, I share with you so many ways that you can make money. I'm telling you, ways that you have never heard before. Do you know that there is a website where wealthy people actually give out money? In case you have not seen it, you can request for it in the comments and I'll share the link with you. Or you can just browse through my videos and check out the video for yourself. Make sure that you try all these strategies. These are tested and trusted websites. There are lots and lots of them that I'm constantly researching for you guys right here on this channel. Please let me know if you want to see more of grants videos or less of grants videos and more of money making videos on my channel. Please let me know. If you do not know what grants are actually free money that you don't have to pay back. People actually win grants every day. Maybe what doesn't make it so popular is that people don't come out to say, oh, I just won $10,000 grants, I just won $50,000 grants. People win and they keep quiet, and this is the reason why you don't get to know much about grants. But if you want to see more of how to make money online videos, let me know on this channel. I'll be more than happy to do all of these researches for you guys. I'm your girl Mariam. If you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Please see this channel as our channel. It's not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. Please express yourself. Feel free to express yourself. There are no stupid questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching all the way till the very end. Please share these videos with your friends. I have amazing ways by which you can make money, guys. Hey, I've been doing research for you people. Me. Last night, I slept at 3 a.m. We're looking for all of these valuable resources that I can share with you guys right here on this channel. Until I see you guys in my next video, keep winning and keep shining. Make sure that you share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. Love you all.